How was your golf?
Good. It's not too hot yet.
Hmm?
It's a good start. It's not too hot.
That's good.
Now it's getting hot now.
Mm-hmm.
So many people now.
It's hot to barbecue outside.
Did you season it?
No.
Just put salt in it.
Huh?
Just put salt in it.
I will season it. Huwag mo munang initin. It's not ready yet. I haven't even cut them. We have... Hello my friends. Today my husband and I are going to grill these. Whole chicken. Pork chop. I have not seasoned them, so I will season them. Don't do that yet. It's not ready. And these Pomfret.
Oh. There's no seasoning here yet?
No, not yet. I was tired yesterday.
Okay, let me season it.
Uh-huh.
Let me season it.
Okay. You don't need to marinate them? Huh? It's up to you.
So no seasoning yet?
No, all of them. What are you putting them in? Just salt?
Soy sauce and salt.
What you put? Soy sauce,
Soy sauce and oregano.
oregano, and salt? Did you put salt?
No, when I put on the salted there.
Are you adding freshly ground black pepper or no?
No.
You are the one barbecuing, so what do you want in the fish? Just salt?
Huh?
Salt?
For what?
Fish?
Yeah.
You want olive oil in it or no?
No, it's oily already. This fish is oily.
So the one you cooked the other day, no olive oil?
No.
Yeah, it's oily. So I'll cut the chicken in four. Huh? Just separate the legs. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I have Calma here. And to those who are new, please welcome. Today is July 5, it is Sunday, and it is noontime. My husband just came home from his golf time with his buddy, and he is hungry, so he is going to barbecue all of these. So you saw him seasoning the pork. Those are actually pork chop. And I am cutting the whole chicken into four. The breast part, the leg,
I put soy sauce.
you want soy sauce?
Yeah, and then I put some salt later.
Soy sauce and what else?
Just salt later.
Do you want lemon? lemon. You don't want lemon? You're adding salt after?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. You can take them now. I am going to take you outside now. My hubby and I are grilling today. And many of these meat for his baon for the week. Hi, honey. You're a good cook. Hi, honey. Honey ka dyan. This is his way of barbecuing. He does not need to marinate the meat. Huh? Sorry? Where's the fish? I want the fish. Oh, there's the fish. And there's the chicken. And look at the pork chop. Yum. They are cooked already. Yum. It's so hot. That's too big for me. Slice small. No, the other one, the other one. No. That's a lot of fat. No. The other one. There. They are cooked. The pork chop. And the pompano. Yum. We are making a very simple sauce. And vinegar. I am sweating from the outside. It is humid outside, by the way. Nice and humid. I have lettuce and slices of cucumbers. Just two vegetables combination. And I am adding lemon juice only and salt. Yummy. Not too much. Adjust it yourself. That's for my husband. And the fish. This is good for me. More fiber after my gallbladder surgery since the 9th of June. So good. He seasoned these pompano only with salt. So let's try the pork chop. I'll give you the rest, Dad, okay? I can't finish them. I'll give the rest to my husband. It's too much for me. I do not want to eat a lot of meat. That's hard to digest. The chicken are cooked now, so I'm eating some. We're having our lunch today and dinner without rice. I don't want the skin. Look at the wings. Yum. Juicy. Look at that. So good. I will take you to our dining. What you put in your tea? No sugar? So, your cook one works?
Yeah.
It's expensive there, so even though it's expensive, there's a lot of players.
What?
There's a lot of golfers.
There's a lot of players. Holy cow. It's fully booked.
Is it a nice area?
I think we're the earliest.
No.
There's 3 more people there before us.
But
So they start at 6.
they open at 6?
Yeah.
That's too early. Even though it's expensive, there's a lot of people.
Yeah.
How many more coupon you have? 2 more?
Not too long.
So, can I go with you? The other one?
Huh?
Can I go with you on the other one?
Do what?
Go both with you.
Really?
Yeah, so I can film. It's a nice place.
We're gonna get yelled at.
Why?
Too slow.
No, I'm not. I'm just going to be your, what's that called? Caddy.
You won't allow it.
Right.
You're not playing. Even us, they don't allow us to.
Okay.
We have to play with another 2 guys. No, we didn't know.
Alright. So did you have to find another 2?
No, they book it for another 2 guys at 6:52.
So you have to pay for them?
No, they pay for themselves, but we have to play together because it has to be 4, so they don't waste time. Because there's so many people.
Yeah.
They won't book one, they won't book.
So you guys have to play together, or you can be separated?
No, if I book it, I have to pay for it. because it's already paid for too.
No, the other two.
Oh, those two, they pay themselves.
Yeah, but what about when they play? Do they have to come with you?
Yeah, we play together, four of us.
Oh. Were they aware of it or no?
Because, yeah. Because if we play two and then the two of them play, it's gonna be long.
You done? Can I have some of your tea? What's that? Iced tea with no sugar?
Yeah.
Cheers. I try not to eat a lot of meat. I don't want any fat. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Until next time, I will see you soon. Cheers. Stay safe. Save lives.